guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and if this is your very first time of being on my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much. My name is Victoria Ajadi and I am a lifestyle and business vlogger. In my last vlog, was it the last vlog? Yeah, in one of the recent vlogs that I did, I purchased this Tefal effortless daily blender at Argos. It was on click and collect Argos. That was where I got it, and I went to the store to pick it up here in Newcastle. So as promised, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this blender and reviewing it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you are yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button below and also the bell notification beside it so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video such as this. And as always, please leave me a comment below, like this video, share this video, and if you have a video request, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Thanks guys. Okay guys, let's go. Ooh, okay, so this is plastic, strong plastic, and it is 2 pints. The maximum it can take is 2 pints and 40 oz. So this is the container itself. It's made of plastic and it's very strong. And this is the machine. This is the Blendforce itself. So it has 2 levels of blending, level 1 and level 2, and you can also do a pulse blending through this. It seems solid, so I really hope it's going to work well. And it came with this. Let's take this out. So it came with a 3-mouth plug. Yeah, with a 3-mouth plug. So guys, it came with a guarantee, and I'm just going to be checking how long the guarantee is. And you know, it's funny that before now I didn't know what the difference between guarantee and warranty was. I knew they were different, but I didn't care. Went deep into trying to know what warranty is and what guarantee is. Do you know the difference between guarantee and warranty? Please let me know in the comment section. And you know, that was the sermon for the vigil I went to recently in my church, and the pastor really talked about guarantee and warranty, and he really dissected it, and I was like, wow, I've never really understood guarantee and warranty like that before. So let's check the guarantee for this. So I'm in United Kingdom, and the guarantee is 2 years. Guarantee is 2 years. This is like a picture guide of everything, like telling you what it is, what to do and what not to do, and stuff like that. And this is the manual or the guide. I guess it's in different languages, and I love that is not just only in English language. So right now that we've unboxed it, I'm going to wash this now and let's see how it works. Something about this is that I love the fact that after using it, you can actually dismantle it, you know, dismantle it one by one, and you'll be able to, you know, wash the blades and make sure that everything is clean. Not all blenders have that. So here we go. People use this blender for ice crushing, for blending smoothies, making smoothies, blending fruits and all those. But in this review, I'm going to be using it to blend some fruits. Yeah, they are fruits. Are they not? Some pepper. Yeah, that's what. This is bell pepper, this is tomato, and these are the smaller chilies. So I'm going to be using the blender to blend all this and see how smooth it's going to be. One con, that is one thing I don't like about this blender, is that the wire is too short. It's just too short. You have to be really close to the socket in order to plug this in. Now the socket I want to use is down here and it's not reaching out to me at all, so I have to put it down now and use it. That is the first no that I'm saying about it. Okay, so right now I've put it a bit down so that it can fit into where the socket is. So it was too much earlier, that was why I had to reduce it. Now I reduced it and just I said, let's see what it's like. Wow, see that, guys? This is awesome. Like, I'm not even seeing the seeds. All those tomato seeds and bell pepper seeds, they are totally crushed and it is so consistent. It is, I'm short of words. It is wow. I love this. I love this. I actually saw a lot of reviews online about it being great, and that was why I went for it. And I am so glad that I went for it. So I will link it down below in the description box. If you would love to have a look at the reviews, you can go ahead and do that. It's available on Amazon. You can get it there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and share. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Subscribe.